2,000 years later.
Hey guys, it's me, Mark Oliver, also known as Marco. So I'm from j.Soriano National High School. So I have some special guests. His name is Neomil C. Carreon. So give him a round of applause. So this is Neomil C. Carreon.
Yeah, what's up, Chef?
So this is my special guest. We are about to talk about stray dogs in our village. So is it exciting? So let's go to the question. Why there are many stray dogs in our village?
Because there is a lot of irresponsible owners in this place, and they don't even know how to keep and handle their dogs properly. They just roaming around. They don't know how to leash their dog, right? So that would happen.
So second question, as a pet owner, how would you handle or manage your dog without hurting any people?
So easy, because Mang Cheb told me last year that if you love your dog, you must keep her in your house and talian imong iro. Kay para dili ka makasakit ay para dili makapag imong iro sa silingan, dapat imong silingan magtinarong. Kung mas kinis na magpagutod sa imong iro. Isa, dapat imo ang iro, imo lang talian para dili makabuhi. Dili o? Ang magawin iro mo. Dapat ikaw kung responsable ka na pet owner, imo talian imong iro. Dali. Niya, igugma imong isika sa silingan.
So last question. So what should we do to the stray dogs, or what should be our actions to the stray dogs?
Kamong mga tagyag iro, tarungan yung iro ninyo. Talian yung liyo nga. Dali na kailangan talian yung liyo nga. Kanang tugan-tugan mo buhay iro, responsable ka mo buhay. Di mo kabalo mo buhay ba? Talian na dali yun. Kay, daghan na silingan na mong nireklamo. Hukura, ingon sila. Managat sa. Kay naana ang ilang iro. Mamaghot. Mamaang. Bisag unsa pa kakagahi. Kay iyang paakon. Labi na ang hambugero. Sa among iro.
So thank you for watching for my vlog, and thank you for my editor Maki Boy, and thank you for my special guest. You may see Carreon. Give them a round of applause. Woo! Thank you very much. So I hope guys you enjoy my vlog, and see you next.